In this video, I am going to discuss 108 plus project ideas with links to free tutorial. Yes, I am going to provide you a YouTube link for every project that I am going to discuss in this video. We are going to talk about projects for web development, Android development, Python, Java, data science and machine learning, all the skills that you want to make a project on. So please watch the video till the end. So hey guys, this is Achintya Gomath. In this video, we are going to talk about 108 plus project ideas with link to free tutorials for each of them. You can make these projects and add in your resume. You can use these projects for applying in an internship as well as for a job on campus, off campus. It will include minor projects, major projects, simple projects, complex projects, beginner projects, advanced projects. I'm going to tell you with every project like it is a beginner project, advanced project, minor project, major project. So please watch the video till the end. So before we begin the video, I would like to make a humble request. Please like the video. We are taking a like target of 500 like. Yes, please help us reach the like target. So I've created a Google Doc, as you can see on the screen. First you will see projects of full stack development, web development. Then you will projects on Android development, Python development, data science of Java and Spring. Now in this video, we are going to talk about each of these projects section by section. You will see timestamps in the below description of the video. If you want to see any specific section, you can click on them. I'm going to describe the project in brief in the video, and you can find the link to the tutorial in the document. The link to the document is there in the description of this video. You can go ahead and watch the video and make those projects very quickly. First, we are going to talk about MERN-Stack project. You must be seeing a lot of ideas regarding cloning, and you must be wondering whether it is good for your resume or not. Let me tell you, cloning is okay because you are expected to make some complex projects, and original ideas are very difficult to think. You are not able to think any very different ideas. You think of some simple to-do list app. So what interviewers expect out of you is some complex application, at least some 7 to 8 pages, 3 to 4 tables, some 4 or 5 functionalities happening. So it's very difficult to expect from a student to think of some original idea. So it's completely okay if you are cloning some famous application which is available out there. So there is no issue, just that it should be very nicely made. UI should be clean, functionality should be properly working. It's not like you have just created 1 or 2 simple functionality. You should at least make 5 to 6 functionality of that cloning website. Also, when you're going to work in a company, you have to replicate design from Figma. Cloning a popular website will also demonstrate how effectively you can create a design given to you from a given design sheet, because if you are making a website on your own, then it doesn't matter what design you are making. So first 10 projects we are going to discuss are major projects for MERN-Stack. You can see on your screen: YouTube clone, Instagram clone, LinkedIn clone, WhatsApp clone, TikTok clone, InShorts clone. These are the very clone which are commonly made. You can see InShorts clone is very unique, which is not very commonly made. You can make, but Instagram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, these are very commonly made, and companies are also very okay if you are make, because they look very nice. They have a lot of complex functionality. You will see all the links mentioned in front of them. You can watch the tutorial. All these tutorials are at least 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours long. Some of them are broken into multiple video, or some of them are a single video itself. You can also make Flipkart clone out of these. First 6 clone are completely MERN-Stack project. Last 2 out of these, Slack and LinkedIn clone, are only React.js based. So if you are not that proficient in MERN, then you can only make a React.js based clone, or you can go for complete MERN-Stack based clone as well. Next 2 major projects are travel map website. In this website, you can pinpoint any location in a map. You can remember some points that pins that you have visited, like you visited this place on that day. Then you can go back, log in again, and see which pins you have already visited. So this can be a unique idea which you can make. 10th idea is a bookkeeping app in which you can create an account, log in, log out, etc., and make a catalog of a book. This is not a complex idea. This is a very simple idea which you can make, but in this you can implement all the functionalities of MERN project. Now we look at 8 more minor projects that you can make with the help of either React or the complete MERN-Stack. First you can make is a portfolio website with the help of React.js. There is no backend in it. It's simply with the help of React. Next you can make is a KBC quiz website with the help of React and some backend elements as well. Then you can work on a blog website. You can make an admin dashboard. Admin dashboard is very useful. You must be making some complex website, e-commerce or any online store. There will be definitely a need for admin. So you can once create a layout, a structure, a working prototype which you can integrate in any other project of yours. AI face detection is a very interesting project that I found on YouTube. You can definitely make this. In this you have to upload an image out of which it will detect your face. So this will be created with the help of React and one external library which you will find in this tutorial when you go and click on it. Next idea is crypto tracker. This is a simple website that you are going to make with the help of React. You will be loading data with the help of an API of latest crypto prices and display. As you know, crypto is very trending. If you have this project in your resume, it will be a big plus for you. Next idea is a COVID data tracker. So in this you can show latest COVID deaths, etc., cases, how much are coming by location, etc. You can find publicly available API which you can integrate in your front end. So if you are working as a front end in React, etc., you must be implementing lots of backend APIs. So this can be a good practice for you and a good project to add in your resume. Last idea that I have added in this is real estate website you can create with the help of React. So these are the 18 ideas for Munstack which I have added with the free tutorials link. Most of them must be having a source code, some of them may not be having it. And apart from this, in the end of this document you will see some ideas which are listed there which you can take and use, which are not listed with some tutorial link. Next we talk about project ideas for web development. Here we will be talking 21 project ideas, 10 will be major projects. First project you can make is Netflix landing page. You can create a front-end website, a complete replica of Netflix page. The complete tutorial is given on the link. You can find the link to this document in the description and you can make the tutorial as it is. Second idea is a complete e-commerce website. It has an end-to-end project completely in the front end. If you don't want to make a backend, you can just make it in a front end, and later when you learn your backend technology, whichever it is, Django, MERN, etc., you can integrate it with that very easily. Third project is Starbucks landing page. You can create a landing page just like Starbucks website. It's a very nice and neat looking website, so it's a good project if you want to make. Fourth idea is a music player. It's a very common application, common project which many students make. I've given you two options. You can follow either of the tutorial. For most of the ideas in this video that we are discussing, you will find many tutorials on the YouTube, so whichever you like you can learn from it. In this you can take any MP3 in your local system and play the audio in your website. Okay. And the fifth idea is a search application. You can create a search application in completely front end, no need to use any backend, etc. Sixth project idea is social media, front end only. It will be a website like a Facebook. You can create a Facebook replica for front end. If you don't want to make a backend, that will be a good idea. Seventh is a portfolio website. You must have a portfolio website. You can either create it in React or a simple HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, whichever you feel like. Next is Microsoft landing page. So it's a simple company page with some simple components about us, services, create, etc. you can make. Next is food recipes website. This is also a common project idea, but it's good to demonstrate and practice your learning. Next is an agency website. You will see a lot of like social media companies, web development agencies. You will find a lot of freelance projects like this. That's why I've added it in this list. Okay, so these are the 10 major projects that you can make with the help of web development front end only. Apart from this, you can also create many animation game with the help of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I've added 5 such projects as well. You can create Pac-Man, you can create multiplayer snake game, you can create Minesweeper, you can create a Mario game. It's a very famous game we used to play in our childhood. You can also create a platformer game. So you can check out these tutorials. These are end-to-end tutorials with 2 to 3 hours length, and make those code on your own. Source code is available in most of the projects. Some of it may not be having it. Okay, so let's move on to minor projects. We will be discussing 6 minor projects that you can make in web development. First of which is company website, a simple website. So previously we discussed the agency website. That was a slightly complicated. This is a slightly simple responsive website that you can make. Next is video as a background. So you must be seeing some design which is having a video playing in the background. It's a good feature to add in a website, so you can also practice it. Real-time Twitter feed. You can use some backend API available online and demonstrate a replica of Twitter feed. This is a simple application of a complex clone of Twitter. So if you want some basic project, then you can also show it in your resume. Coffee shop. This is a very good looking project. Once you open it, you will realize why I'm saying this. This website looks really nice. So you can definitely make it if you are looking from some easy responsive website to make. Car rental website. This is also a good project if you want to looking for some unique idea. 21st idea is a glass website. Okay, so this is a transparent background website, so you can also make it. You can also use it as a feature and implement it some complex website. So far we have discussed 39 ideas, all of them in web development. 18 were in Munstack and 21 are now in this web development. Next we discuss projects ideas on Android development. We will be discussing 18 apps that you can make with links to tutorials to each of them. Link is mentioned in the Google document as you are seeing on your screen. Link is there in the description. You can go and check out each of these tutorial in the same order. First app you can make is Instagram clone. As I've already told you, it's okay to make clones. There is no issue. Companies really prefer, they just want some good implementation implementation, good AI, good knowledge, and that's it. So they don't mind if you make a clone. So you can make an Instagram clone, WhatsApp clone, Netflix clone, LinkedIn clone, Facebook clone, whichever website you like, Swiggy clone, Zomato clone, you can just go and clone it. Okay, you can make in Kotlin or Java. Okay, so you will find tutorials in all of them. I have mentioned Kotlin and Java where I have found both of them. Okay, you can also look for specific tutorials if you are learning for that. For Flutter you will find lots of tutorials. I haven't mentioned Flutter here, I have only mentioned native development. Okay, fourth idea, you can create a Nike store. It's a very good looking store, like you can add products to your cart, etc. So you can just make this as well. Next is a grocery app. This is a very common application of a mobile app, so you can definitely make a grocery app for your project. Next is a food app. This is slightly different from a grocery app, so you can just check out and see what is the difference. Next is a social media app. Next is the COVID app. So this is the same website idea I gave you. Is you can create an app as well. You can integrate a backend API which will tell you data about cases, deaths, etc. in a region, yesterday, today, tomorrow, etc. It's also good implementation. Trip planner, where you are planning a trip with the friends or individually. News app, where you are displaying latest news from backend API. Google Lens app. So this is a replica of Google Lens functionality, which is like you can take your camera and scan any image and extract text out of it. So it's a cool way, and you can also make this project with your Android. Biometric attendance app. So this also implementation you can make. The tutorial in this is not that good, you can, but this is a good functionality, good project. You can also explore how to make it on your own as well. Next is a video player. You can play MP4 or any other audio files in your Android app. So you can definitely make tic-tac-toe game you can also make. You can also make a weather app. This is a GFG link. I think though they have a very good tutorial list, so you can also check out that. 16th is a QR code scanner. So simple QR code scan, extract data, image, text, etc. out of a scientific calculator and to-do app. So these are the 18 apps you can make. Apart from this, you can also find a lot of ideas from internet on YouTube. So far we have discussed 57 project ideas. If my math is not wrong, let me know in the comments. Next we talk about Python project. In this we are going to discuss 18 project ideas that you can make. First idea is 12 beginner project. These are some basic projects, small calculator, number guessing, etc. It is the link of freecodecamp.org. You must be aware of it. So you can, if you are a beginner, if you are making for the first time, then you can make these 12 basic project ideas and you can get a good idea how to make a simple program in Python. Next idea is a password manager. It's a slightly complicated version. It's a next level to previous level of project ideas. Okay, so you can definitely make it. Third is a Flappy Bird. It's a very simple project idea. It is a link of Code with Harry. You must be aware of this YouTube channel. Very helpful person. You can definitely go out and check. You can also find more tutorials on internet for Flappy Bird game. So if you don't want to watch this tutorial, you can watch any other tutorial where you think it is more helpful to you. Next is AI voice-based assistant. In this you can create a voice-based actions like open a map, search a location, open a website, play a song, like so. This kind of assistant you can create. You can definitely check out. Voice is getting very famous and trending these days. Next project is web scraping. You must be aware, like Beautiful Soup is a library. Scraping a website is a very good implementation of Python, and all the web crawlers, search engine are based on this concept only. So please learn how to implement it using Python. Next idea is weather app using tkinter. So you must be aware in Python there are many modules, very famous one, like there is tkinter, there is pygame, there is OpenCV, there is NumPy, Pandas, etc. So we are covering some of them. For tkinter we have 3-4 projects right here. You can make a weather app, you can make a PDF extraction tool which extract text from a PDF. So it's a very interesting. You can make that. User login, like how to log in a user, sign up a user, you can make it. It's a simple, but you can definitely make it. You can create a notepad using tkinter library as well. Okay, so these are the 3-4 ideas that you can make with the tkinter library, which is a GUI library. You can think of endless applications, you can think of any other cloning that you want to make, but these will give you a basic tools, basic code that you need to implement those kind of ideas. Okay, next we are going to cover some applications that you can make on Pygame library. You can create a snake game, you can create a Pong game, you can create a scrolling shooter game. This is a very interesting game, I saw the video. Or you can create a Space Invaders. So 4 games you can create with the help of Pygame library. Okay, next we cover 5 projects from very famous library of Python, that is OpenCV. Most of the implementation of Python, if you do, you will definitely use OpenCV for it. All the image, all the object detection, etc., machine learning, computer vision, OpenCV is heavily used in that. So first project you can make is face recognition and attendance system using OpenCV. Next, you can make AI virtual painter, like you can paint with your hands, like you don't have to use your mouse or touchpad, you can just paint with your hand, it will detect the gestures of your hand. So this is a very cool project, you can just go ahead and make it. Text detection using OpenCV, you can take an image like we discussed for Google Lens, you can do this with the help of Python as well. Document scanner, you must be using Adobe Scan or Doc Scanner, Cam Scanner app, etc. So you can also make your own Cam Scanner with the help of Python. You can follow this tutorial for that. Solving Rubik Cube, this is a very interesting and a complex project. If you are someone who wants to do a major project, then you can make this project. In this, what you have to do, you have to show a Rubik Cube in front of a वीडियो कैमरा, फ्रंट कैमरा, एंड इट विल टेल यू विच मूव टू मेक, लाइक इस बॉक्स को इधर रोटेट कर दो, पूरा घुमा दो, एक इधर घुमा दो, लेफ्ट रोटेट कर दो, राइट रोटेट कर दो, टॉप रोटेट कर दो. सो इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग ट्यूटोरियल you will find in this video. They are not explaining the whole code, they are just giving you an overview, so you have to do it on your own. But the best part, source code is available. I have double checked the source code, it's complete. GitHub link is provided in the link in the description of this tutorial, so you can go ahead and try this project as well. So far we have covered 57 prior to this plus 18. How much is that? 75 tutorials, project ideas we have covered so far. Next we talk about projects ideas for data science and machine learning and AI, everything combined, deep learning etc. जो भी आपने टर्म YouTube पे कहीं सुनी है वो सब इसमें कवर होने वाला है. So I have divided into multiple section on the basis of functionality, complexity, okay, advanced level, how much difficult it is. So first we are going to do projects of analysis, then we are going to do predictions, and then we are going to do some complex multiple analysis, combination of analysis and prediction. So first you can do COVID-19 data analysis, exploratory data analysis on US experience data, Amazon sellers analysis data, EDA or Netflix analysis, Netflix data sets, sorry, EDA on healthcare data sets. So these are the 5 EDA and data analysis projects you can make. These are very important. Students mostly get asked questions to related to these only. You have to take a data, pre-process it, plot it on a graph, scatter graph or these kind of graph, histogram etc. And you have to make some assumptions or some feature selection you have to do on the basis of these kind of knowledge you get from the data. Next we talk about some basic level of predictions. You can optimizing agricultural production. This is a very hatke idea. If you want to do some project which is different from others, you can definitely work on this project. Stock sentiment analysis, this is related to sentiment analysis. You can do Twitter sentiment analysis or these kind of Amazon reviews sentiment analysis, also very famous. So this is that kind of project only. You can work out house price prediction, fake news detection. I hope you are aware of these projects. Malaria disease detection, this is a standard project. You can make it, it's fine, it's common, but still it's good project. Credit card fraud detection, big mart sale prediction, car price prediction, flight fare prediction, stock price prediction. Earlier we discussed above was stock price sentiments analysis, stock sentiment analysis. So in this you will be analyzing the tweets which are done, the news, sorry, not the tweets, news which are on some of the stock, and you will identify it is positive or it is negative. This is a simple one. And in this 15th project you are going to discuss, you are going to predict the price using LSTM. This is a very complicated and major project that you can make. A whole tutorial of it is like 1 hour and 45 minutes. So it's a complex project. You can definitely show it as a major project in your resume. And 16th idea is mall customer segmentation. It is an implementation of K-means segmentation. Okay, so you can definitely make it. Movie recommendation system and spam mail detection. So these are the 18 projects ideas that you can make in data science. You will find endless list, but I have covered almost all the categories of projects that you can make. So earlier it was count was 15, 7 plus 18, that was 75, 8, I think now plus 18, so it will be have covered so far 93 project ideas. मैं ही confuse हो गया. Next we are going to discuss project in Java and Spring framework. So I have divided into 2 categories. First, projects based on only Java, core Java and Swing framework. Swing is like a module library available within Java, and then projects in Spring Boot. So Spring Boot is very famous. Most of the companies which hire for Java developers, they ultimately go and work on Spring Boot only. Spring and Spring Boot, there is a slight difference, but don't worry right now. If you want to work on which either Spring or Spring Boot, I would recommend you to work on Spring Boot because that is the latest which is being used in most of the companies. Okay, so first you can make a basic calculator or an ATM app using core Java. There is nothing else used in this. Second is a music player using Swing, etc. Third idea is a notepad using JSwing. Then is a quiz app using JSwing. I think it's pretty clear what this means, so I'm not explaining much. Then you can make a brick breaker game. It is a very common game, but it will help you understand the game logic. So there is a game logic which you have to define, like what will happen if click there, what will happen, how the scoring will happen, how the winner will be decided. So that's very helpful if you do that kind of projects. Next, you are going to, I'm giving you some projects that you can make with the help of Swing and MySQL. Payroll system, it's a very common project idea, but it will help you understand how you make this kind of multi-layer project with the help of Java and MySQL. Then you can use these components and create some other unique idea as well. Next is an idea of chatting application using Swing and Socket. Swing is for UI components. I hope you are aware of it. You can check out the tutorial. Next is a university management system similar with Swing and MySQL. Ninth, onwards all the projects are with the help of Spring Boot. Okay, so CRUD application with Spring Boot, this is the first project that anyone who starts Spring Boot with Java is going to make. So create, retrieve, update, delete, you are going to do with Hibernate as well. In 10th, you are going to make a user logging. This is taking it to the next level CRUD. Next, you are going to make student management system, e-commerce, Instagram clone, exam portal, Corona tracker. Okay, so you may not find many ideas for Spring Boot on YouTube, may not find so many tutorials. So what you can do, you can make any of these projects, understand what are the tools, like how to make a function call, how to make a UPI endpoint, how to call it, how to generate files, how to integrate Maven into your project. Understand all of this with the help of these, and then you can implement it for some other project idea that you have seen in the previous part of this video. Okay, so 93 prior project ideas and 15 for this Java. So total 108 project ideas we have discussed so far. I hope I have given you all the information that you need. I think these are a lot of project ideas. You just have to make 2 or 3 projects, at least 1 or 2 minor project and 1 or 2 major projects. So 3 to 4 project ideas are good enough if you are applying for on campus or off campus. But if you are applying for off campus internship via Internshala, QVET or LinkedIn, then you might need more project, more skill knowledge. But if you are applying for internship in MNC, then 3-4 projects are good enough. They will be looking at your problem solving skills, DSA, coding, etc. But projects are good enough. Okay, so please go through the list. If you have any issue, let us know in the comment or contact me on the WhatsApp. Okay, we are always there to support.